Hi, I'm glad you dropped by. Tech Savvy for Seniors isn't just for seniors. And the reason I'm chatting with you right now, today, is because I'm thinking very seriously about starting up some classes. So I want your opinion. Do you think a class would be beneficial for you? The reason I'm saying a class over just doing more and more videos, because Lord knows I've done enough videos, but still I find so many friends and even family members get hacked so easily or don't really 100% want to get heavily involved in dual verification. But you'll notice almost every time you open up a program today, it's asking you to do a two-step verification because you need protection. And the easiest way to get hacked is by ignoring these suggestions. So I'm here to tell you, because my son recently got hacked seriously, that two-step verification can actually help you out in the long run. And yes, it's a pain. Nobody really wants to do two steps. And even I curse the odd time when I don't have my phone on and I'm logging in from my tablet and all of a sudden, presto, I need a two-step verification. Sometimes you can just simply say, yeah, send it to my email address and that's fine. Other times it's no, they want to text you and you got to get your phone. But that 5 seconds out of your life or even a minute and a half to get up and go get your phone really is going to save you a lot of hassles. And there's so many other things that I was thinking classes would really help. So my question to you today is going to be, do you pay for a class or do you say free is the only way I'm going to go? Or maybe send me a coffee and a donut. You know, there's all kinds of ways you can do things. I'm not wanting to make it difficult. And if you're a senior, I definitely don't want to take a lot of your money because let's face it, we're all on budgets of some kind. If you have an unlimited budget, good for you. That's awesome. But if you really need to watch pennies, then how about a coffee and a donut? Anyway, let me know your thoughts and let me know what type of topics you think might be valuable for you. I have so many different ideas and thought, well, let's start off here. So recently I took 4 months off, reformulated how I want to do things with my website. I still want to deliver some great content to you guys, and I still want to make you aware of things going on. I did do a travel actual video on travel things from Amazon and got my fingers slapped a bit from Amazon because I was trying to become one of their associates, and that didn't work out well when I kept showing pictures from their suppliers because they're all protected on the Amazon site. So I'm going to reframe that because that video got a ton of likes, like almost 1,000 people in a very short period of time. Really enjoyed it. And I do want to bring content like that back again to my videos, this time being a little more cautious on how I deliver these things to you. I also kind of lost all my hair to cancer recently, so I sort of took about 4 months to again rethink how I'm going to do things in the future, but not let it get me down in any way, shape, or form. I just ended up having an unfortunate situation happen. And I do have an actual other site that I started up and operating recently called Glens Hangout. And it sort of documents my little journey on the cancer path. So if that's something that interests you, or you know somebody who has cancer and you want some ideas, jump onto that site and have a boo. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here with you guys today. I hope I can get some sort of a response from everybody out there on your feelings on doing some classes. I'm not going to do master classes that are going to be 25 chapters long. We're talking about, hey, let's get to the point, get things looked at, and see how easy it can be for you to get tech savvy. So, ciao for now. I'm Glenn Polson, Tech Savvy for Seniors. Don't forget and hit like and subscribe if you want to help my little channel grow. Thanks again, everybody, and have an awesome day. Ciao.